All things exist in the realm of possibility. In quantum physics, they did what's known as the double slit experiment. If you're not familiar with it, I strongly suggest that you go and look that up and check that out. It's super cool. But basically, when particles are observed, they change their behavior. Okay. So when something changes its behavior, it's because you're observing it. Just like when I was a child, I don't know if I was the only weird kid that did this, but I would watch the windshield wipers and get them to shift from left to right the way that I wanted to, get them to sync up with other people's windshield wipers. I would look at the blinkers or turning signals when we were turning and be like, okay, I want our turning signal to match the person's in front of ours. The moment I stopped observing it, the moment I stopped looking at it, was the moment it went back to behaving at its own free will, right? So when you are observing something, which is what Neville Goddard meant by the law of assumption, whatever you assume to be true is what will be true, it was just an easier way of explaining quantum physics. So whatever you choose to observe in the realm of possibility must be made manifest in this 3D reality because you are selecting to observe it. So if you choose to select to observe people messing up your new great reality, then they will. If you choose to not observe that, then they won't. Whatever you put your energy and focus and awareness and attention on is what will be created. Everything and all possibilities exist in the realm of possibility, okay? Just like Murphy's Law, all things that can go wrong will go wrong. That has to mean the opposite because we believe in polarity. So all things that can go right will go right also. It's just whatever you're choosing to observe, whatever you're choosing to collapse into your 3D reality. And why I say collapse, the movie Lucy does a great job of explaining this when she's kind of like turning her hand and showing them like everything has to collapse and make something different. It's like it gets destroyed to be made new, or like you might lose a job and a better job comes along, or you start your business because you've decided this no longer fits me. It has to collapse. It has to make something new. So collapse, new, collapse, new, collapse, new. That's what it does on repeat. It's a pattern. Everything in life is mathematics, dimensions, patterns, whatever you want to call it. So I like the nerdy side of manifestation. So the more you choose to observe something, the more it must exist in this 3D reality. I hope this helps.